Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove "you may like" suggestions on TikTok for Android. Alright, let's begin. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the bottom right icon. Then, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Report a Problem and tap on it. After the page loads, scroll all the way down again and select Chat with Us. When the chat box opens, you'll need to submit a message to TikTok support. Type the following: I want to remove "you may like" suggestions on my TikTok account. Please fix this for me. Then tap Submit a Ticket to send your request. After submitting, wait about 1 to 2 business days for TikTok support to respond and apply the change. So that's basically how you can remove "you may like" suggestions on TikTok for Android. That's it for this video. Thanks.